What's going on, everyone? My name is Rich. This is Theme Park Motivation. Just wanted to give everyone an update on the construction that's going on at Hersheypark. It's a little slow right now. There's not a whole lot going on other than some sewer and drainage work that's going on, which I'll get to later on in this video. You can see the tanks for Twisted Gravity, so that's pretty cool. I do want to let everyone know that this footage was taken off of Hersheypark's property. At no point was this on Hersheypark's property, so I just want to make everyone aware of that. That being said, I had a few friends of mine message me and say that Hersheypark is really trying to divert the attention towards Twisted Gravity, which I totally understand that. Makes a lot of sense. They don't want anybody snooping around over in this area. But I'm going to tell you right now, there is definitely sewer work that's being done by the township. And how that plays into Hersheypark's expansion, I'm going to get into that a little bit later on in this video. But you can see that they are doing some drainage work and sewer work from across the street. As I've said in previous videos, this is like phase 1 of this project. I don't expect anything to go up during the 2025 season. I don't even think we'll see a ride or ride parts come in. As I've said in the previous videos when I've talked about this expansion, I believe this is going to happen probably 2026, 2027. Honestly, if it's a massive coaster or something along those lines, I know other people have hinted that it's a family launch coaster and this and that. I don't know about any of that. I don't really buy into any of that stuff yet. I mean, let's see what goes on. I do know that there's an expansion going on, and whether Hersheypark wants to admit that or not, they have said in previous years that they plan to expand that area. So we're seeing the phase 1 of this project getting started, getting trees and shrubbery out of the way, leveling out that land, and we can definitely see that going on. Obviously, when you're doing an expansion, one of the first things that has to be done is anything from below, when you have piping in the way or lines that need to be dug up, certain things like that. So it makes a lot of sense why this drainage work's being done. I know Hersheypark wants us to believe that this is just a township thing and they're taking care of this. However, whenever there's some kind of expansion going on, the township is involved in some form or another, whether it's Hersheypark sending them forms over to say, hey, can we build this, or whatever. But being that some of this drainage is going outside of the park, it makes sense. But that's really all I have as far as an update for this expansion goes. Love to hear what everybody else thinks. As always, thanks so much for watching. Hope everybody has a great day.